everyone, this is me, Saminzi. I'm here with an elegant tutorial. Today we are making an elegant beaded ring. Very unique idea, very different idea. I'm giving you. We are today making with the fancy button a beaded ring. It looks like a diamond ring, very elegant, gorgeous ring. First of all, we picked 4 different different types of beads. We are tying knots. After making double knot, here you can see we have 4 beads, 2 pearls, 1 bicone and 1 crystal bead. 3 different types of beads are here. We have to make here a we will work in a right angle weave. We have to make here 12 units of right angle weave. We will make 11 units and we will make 12th unit with joining it from both ends. We have to join it. We will turn it to a circle, and total 12 units will be there, which we made with 3 different types of beads: pearls and crystal, clear white crystal beads and silver bicones. Now here we have to turn it in a circle. So we picked 1 bicone, we passed through 1 pearl, and now we picked 1 clear white 2 mm crystal bead, round crystal bead, and now we are passing through 1 pearl, 3 mm pearl, and here in this way beaded circle is ready. This is our ring's base, our diamond ring's base. Now first round is ended. Now we have to move ahead, step forward. Now from here we will come to add some crystal beads on sides between bicones, silver bicones. We will add 2 mm round crystal beads to all bicones of first round. So we are adding 1 by 1 clear white crystal beads. I always tried in my tutorials to make learning process easy and understandable. Now here we have picked silver, metallic silver seed bead 11. We will add 1 by 1 4 seed beads in middle of this circle. After 3 crystal beads, we will add 1 seed bead 11. In this way 4 seed beads will be added, because we have total 12 crystal beads in this round circle. So we have to add 4 seed beads. Skipping 3 crystal beads, we will add 1. Then again skipping 3 crystal beads, we will add another 1 seed bead 11. In this way 4 beads we have added in middle of this circle, beaded circle. Now here you can see this is the fancy button. I am using this button in our rings making, and I hope you would like it. This will give an elegant look to our beaded ring, a new look, a new style. I'm adding here, I'm introducing here a fancy button in ring. We have picked 1 crystal bead 2 mm. We pass through buttons loop, buttons hole, which is on buttons back. Then we added 1 more, we picked 1 more crystal bead 2 mm, and now we have go to seed bead, which we added in middle of our beaded circle. So here we have added 1 side of button. Now we have to go to other side, and we will pass through 2 more seed beads, and we will add 2 more crystal beads on buttons back to fix it perfectly. We will add total 4 crystal beads on buttons back, and we will add passing through 4 seed beads, silver seed beads 11, which we added in previous round in middle of our beaded part. So we will add in this way button, fancy button with diamonds, with stones, very elegant button. We are adding it. Total 4 crystal beads we add on its back, and now you can see we are adding on buttons back crystal beads, and we are passing through seed beads 11, 4 seed beads which we added in previous round. Now you can see we have added fancy button in center of, in middle of our beaded circle, and it is fixed. Now I have tried my best to make it visible, clear. Now you can see this is another ring which I made with the light pink Bicones. I used light pink Bicones in its making instead of clear white crystal beads. Pattern is same. There is no difference between 2 rings, only some difference between beads. Now the next step is to add this elegant ring band. We are making its band. We have just string crystal beads 2 mm for rings band. very simple band we are adding to this ring, because this ring is already very elegant, very gorgeous. It needs no more embellishment, so we are adding a simple stringing beads band. Here we have picked 16 2 mm crystal round crystal beads for rings band. You can decrease or increase according to your rings size. I have added 16 from one pearl to next sides, opposite sides pearl. We have added this string of crystal beads. We have added our rings band. From our rings back, we are now we have to reinforce all these beads. We have to pass through all these crystal beads of our rings band to reinforce. And with this rings band, we will finish our rings making. After making some finishing knots, we are making here some knots to make it secure, our work secure. And now we have to trim extra thread. We cut off extra thread, so it's done now. It's ready, an elegant beaded ring. It looks like diamond ring. Very sparkly stones are there in our ring, and on its corners, on its sides, you can see we added silver sparkling bicones. And I hope you would like it, and you must try to make for yourself and make for your friends, make for your girls. I hope you would like it. Very fancy, very cute ring. Here are final looks, some videos of today's tutorial. I hope you would like it. And if you like my projects, my tutorials, my videos, so dear friends, like, share, comment, subscribe my channel. I am waiting your subscriptions, your comments. I need your likes and views. I need it. So I want your support. So don't forget it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Here are the final looks of today's project. I hope you would like it. I made 2 different color rings. In this ring I used light pink Bicones, and I used the same beaded stone fancy button, and I hope you would like both of these rings. So get ready and make your own ring with buttons. I know many our friends have these buttons at home, so these buttons are easily available. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.